A growing movement is sweeping across the globe, embracing plant-based living. This lifestyle is not just a trend, but a conscious choice that many are making for a variety of compelling reasons. More people are choosing plant-based diets, finding joy and satisfaction in meals that are both delicious and nutritious. The kitchen has become a place of creativity and exploration, where plant-based ingredients take center stage. This shift is driven by health, ethical, and environmental concerns. Doctors are increasingly recommending plant-based diets to their patients for better health outcomes. Meanwhile, environmental activists highlight the benefits of reducing our carbon footprint, and animal lovers advocate for the humane treatment of animals. Plant-based eating focuses on a variety of foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, providing a balanced diet that supports overall well-being. It reduces or eliminates animal products, making room for innovative alternatives like plant-based milks and meat substitutes. These options are becoming more accessible and appealing to a wider audience. This way of eating aligns with growing awareness of our food choices and their impact on the planet. People are educating themselves, attending seminars, and participating in community events to learn more about sustainable living. People are becoming more conscious of the impact of their diets on the environment. They are turning to resources like blogs and documentaries to make informed decisions about their food. They are seeking healthier and more sustainable options, finding that plant-based living offers a path to both personal health and environmental stewardship. This movement is gaining momentum, with plant-based food festivals, educational programs, and trendy vegan cafes popping up everywhere. These events and establishments are fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. More restaurants are offering plant-based options, responding to the growing demand from customers who are eager to explore new flavors and healthier choices. Supermarkets are expanding their vegan and vegetarian selections, making it easier for consumers to find and enjoy plant-based products. The variety and availability of these products are at an all-time high. This makes it easier than ever to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. Whether at home, in the park, or within the community, people are finding joy and fulfillment in plant-based living, contributing to a healthier planet and a brighter future for all. The health harvest, reaping the rewards of plant-based eating. Plant-based diets offer a wealth of health benefits. Studies show they can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. These include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Plant-based foods are rich in nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health. Fiber, found abundantly in plant foods, aids digestion. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. A lighter footprint, plant-based diets, and environmental impact. Our food choices have a significant impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. It also contributes to deforestation and water pollution. Plant-based diets have a lower environmental impact. Producing plant-based foods requires fewer resources. They generate fewer greenhouse gases compared to animal-based foods. Choosing plant-based meals can help reduce your carbon footprint. By reducing or eliminating animal products, you lessen the demand for environmentally intensive practices. This contributes to a healthier planet. Ethical eating, choosing compassion with every bite. It's a conscious decision that reflects our values and our desire to make a positive impact on the world. For many, ethics play a significant role in choosing a plant-based diet. It's not just about what we eat, but why we eat it. The choice to go plant-based often stems from a deep-seated belief in kindness and respect for all living beings. Factory farming practices raise concerns about animal welfare. The conditions in which animals are kept are often inhumane, with overcrowding and lack of proper care being common issues. Plant-based eating aligns with values of compassion and animal rights. It offers a way to stand against the cruelty of factory farming and support a more humane treatment of animals. By choosing plant-based foods, you opt out of supporting factory farming practices. This simple choice can have a profound impact, reducing the demand for animal products and encouraging more ethical farming practices. This reduces the demand for animal products. As more people choose plant-based diets, the market shifts, leading to fewer animals being raised in poor conditions. In turn, it lessens the suffering of animals raised in these conditions. Rescued animals often find new lives in sanctuaries, where they can live out their days in peace and comfort. Ethical eating goes beyond personal health. It's about making choices that reflect our values and contribute to a better world for all beings. It extends to considering the well-being of all creatures. By choosing plant-based diets, we support the preservation of wildlife and natural habitats, and we contribute to a more sustainable planet. Plant-based diets offer a way to align your food choices with your values. They provide a path to living more compassionately, ensuring that our actions reflect our beliefs in kindness, respect, and the well-being of all living beings. Section 5. Transitioning with ease tips for a smooth journey. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be easy and enjoyable with a few simple tips. By making small, manageable changes, you can gradually shift your eating habits without feeling overwhelmed. Start gradually by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Begin with 1 or 2 meals and slowly increase the number as you become more comfortable. Experiment with new recipes and explore different cuisines. Trying out dishes from various cultures can make your meals more exciting and help you discover new favorite foods. Focus on adding variety to your plate. A diverse range of foods ensures you get all the necessary nutrients and keeps your meals interesting. Include a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. Each color represents different vitamins and minerals, contributing to a balanced and nutritious diet. Explore different types of legumes, grains, and nuts. These foods are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them great staples in a plant-based diet. Don't be afraid to seek support. Whether it's from friends, family, or online communities, having a support system can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Many online resources and communities offer guidance and recipes. Take advantage of these tools to find inspiration and learn new cooking techniques. Connect with others who are on a similar journey for inspiration and motivation. Sharing experiences and tips can help you stay committed and make the transition more enjoyable. Section 6. Navigating the world plant-based eating on the go. Eating plant-based while dining out or traveling is easier than ever. Many restaurants now offer plant-based options. When in doubt, ask your server for recommendations or modifications. Plan ahead for trips by packing plant-based snacks. Fruits, nuts, and energy bars are convenient options. Research restaurants at your destination that cater to plant-based diets. Remember, clear communication is key. When ordering, be specific about your dietary preferences. Don't hesitate to ask questions to ensure your meal meets your needs. Section 7. A world of flavor exploring plant-based cuisines. Plant-based eating is far from boring. Cultures around the world have long embraced plant-forward cuisines. Explore the vibrant flavors of Indian, Thai, Mediterranean, and Ethiopian dishes. Experiment with herbs, spices, and different cooking techniques. These add depth and complexity to your meals. Embrace the creativity of plant-based cooking and discover new favorites. Don't be afraid to get adventurous in the kitchen. Try new recipes, experiment with different ingredients, and have fun exploring the world of plant-based cuisine. Section 8. Busting myths, addressing common concerns. Many misconceptions surround plant-based diets. One common myth is that they lack sufficient protein. However, plant-based foods like legumes, tofu, and quinoa are excellent protein sources. Another concern is getting enough iron. Plant-based sources of iron include lentils, spinach, and black beans. Consuming them with a source of vitamin C like citrus fruits enhances iron absorption. It's important to address these concerns with evidence-based information. Consulting with a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and ensure you meet your nutritional needs. Section 9. Sustainability on your plate. Making eco-conscious choices. Beyond the food itself, consider the sustainability of your choices. Opt for locally sourced produce whenever possible. This reduces transportation emissions and supports local farmers. Choose minimally packaged foods to reduce waste. Bring your own reusable bags and containers to the grocery store. Compost food scraps to further minimize your environmental impact. Small changes can make a big difference. By making conscious choices about your food and shopping habits, you contribute to a more sustainable food system. Section 10. A ripple effect, inspiring change through your plate. Choosing a plant-based diet extends beyond personal benefits. It can inspire change in your community and beyond. Share your experiences and recipes with friends and family. Support restaurants and businesses that prioritize plant-based options. Advocate for policies that promote sustainable food systems. Every action, no matter how small, creates a ripple effect. By embracing and advocating for plant-based eating, you become part of a movement. This movement promotes health, sustainability, and compassion. Section 11. A healthier you, a healthier planet. Embracing a plant-powered future. Plant-based diets offer a path to a healthier you and a healthier planet. By embracing the power of plants, we nourish our bodies while protecting the environment. The transition to a plant-based lifestyle is a journey of discovery. It's about exploring new flavors, making conscious choices, and inspiring positive change. As you embark on this journey, remember that every step counts. Every plant-based meal is a step towards a more sustainable and compassionate future.